Hi Widi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good too. By the way, are you free tomorrow?
Yeah, I think so. What is going on?
What if I invite you to my graduation celebration?
Oh yeah, I heard you have graduated from University of Indonesia.
That's right. No, my name is Siti Soffiah S.pd.
Oh cool, that's amazing. Where is the event?
Thank you. The event is at my house at 9 a.m.
That sounds lovely. Wait for me to come to your graduation celebration.
Okay, I will wait at my house. And don't forget, the dress code is black and gold. See you soon.
See you.